Hi everyone, Alex here. This video explores two powerful Node.js frameworks, Express and Fastify, used to build REST APIs. You understand the difference, learn the basic of creating APIs in each, and see which one may be best for your projects. REST APIs are a crucial part of modern applications, enabling different parts of a system or separate systems altogether to communicate with each other. Two popular Node.js frameworks for building REST APIs are Express and a classic choice, and Fastify, a newer and faster alternative. In this video, we'll explore how to build a basic API with each framework and compare their performance, syntaxes, scalability. Let's start with Express. Express has been around for a long time and has a large user base. It's known for its straightforward syntaxes and flexibility, which makes it perfect for quick projects or complex applications. Express works by using middleware functions and rows to handle HTTP requests and responses. With a few lines of code, you can create an API endpoint and have a server up and running. Let's look at a simple example where we create an endpoint to return a greeting message. This basic setup will help us to see how easy it is to get to start with Express. In this example, we start by importing Express and initializing the app. We then define a route app/API using app.get method. This route listens for GET requests and responds with JSON objects containing a greeting message. Finally, we use app_listen method to start the server on port 3000. Express's design makes it easy to add additional routes or middlewares. Each route is handled independently, and middleware functions allow you to add extra functionality, such as login or notification, without complicating your code. Now, let's look at Fastify. Fastify is a high-performance Node.js framework that emphasizes speed and efficiency, unlike Express. Fastify was designed with performance in mind and can handle a high number of requests per second. It's a great choice for applications that need high throughput and quick response times. Fastify syntax is slightly different from Express, but the concepts are very similar. With Fastify, we use async function and return objects directly to respond to requests, making it optimized for speed. Let's create the same endpoint in Fastify to see how the setup compares. In Fastify, we initialize the framework by calling Fastify method. Then we create a route @API using fastify.get method. Similar to how we did in Express, however, we use an async functions to handle the requests. This allows us to return the response objects directly, which Fastify handles very efficiently. Fastify's architecture is built to be highly performant, which means it can handle more requests per second than Express. This can be especially useful for applications where speed and scalability are top priorities. Now that we see both frameworks in actions, let's talk about when to use each other. Performance-wise, Fastify can handle more requests per second than Express, which makes it perfect choice for high traffic applications, where speed is critical. Express, on the other hand, has more mature ecosystem with a wealth of middleware options. If you're building an app where middleware compatibility is essential, or you need to use specific third-party packages, Express might be better choice. Both frameworks supports REST APIs effectively, but their strengths vary based on project requirements. If you need high performance and are comfortable with Fastify syntaxes, Fastify is a great option. For more extensive middleware support and a simpler syntaxes, Express might be the way to go. Both Express and Fastify are great options for building REST APIs, and each has its strengths. Fastify is ideal for applications where performance is critical, and Express is a solid choice for projects that benefit from its extensive ecosystem. Try them both out to see which one feels right for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you found this video helpful. See you in the next one.